And today we're going to be making slime.
And Greg.
With only glue, water, and borax. So, Greg, could you hand me the borax over there?
This is our borax.
It's actually really simple.
And this actually could be the borax actually could be used for like a contagion boost.
So what we're gonna do is, I have a cup of warm water. The thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a teaspoon of borax in it. Teaspoon. Stir until it's ready. If you hear yelling in the background, it's me watching. It's my dad watching the World Series. So, what you have to do is just stir it until the mixture is ready. Obviously, I know I'm not mixing this right because it's with a stupid teaspoon. But, okay.
So, I think it might be.
I really don't care, but that should be done. Okay, so now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna have to take any white PVA glue. I don't even care.
Or this kind of glue if you want. Or I prefer Elmer's.
Yeah.
Elmer's is the best glue ever. So what's Elmer's? So like this glue right here.
So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour it in. And then you're almost done. The only thing you have to do is
add the water.
Add the water with the
if you want to do some coloring into it, you could just use toothpaste, right?
No.
No, you could use like
you have to use food coloring.
Yeah, if you want to make it like.
Okay, so this should be about done. And the next thing you have to do is get anything to stir with, obviously. Just put little by little
into it.
Inside of this.
Guys, I hope it's gonna be good. I think you might.
Okay, so
sorry for the sticking thing in the way. It's disgusting.
And no, I am not an adult small. It's actually it's big for me. Okay, so first I'm just gonna pour in. Hopefully this is not a fail. But oh crap, I think that's too much. That's probably too much. Oh wow, it actually isn't. I already see it combining.
Guys, this might be a freaking success.
A freaking success. Wow, it's already coming together.
So it can't be sticky, right?
No.
It has to be like.
Oh crap. Okay. So I'm just gonna keep stirring. Okay, this does not feel right. Okay, so you know what? Screw this. I'm not even gonna care. I'm just gonna use this stupid thing. Look at this. Do you like it? Because guess what? I do.
Be into the cup right here.
Okay, in the comments,
tell us
before you look at it. Say if you think it's gonna be a fail or a success.
So this is the stupid thing here. Boy.
You know what? I'm just gonna put in. I'm not even gonna put in that much. I'm just gonna put in smaller than that. 1, 2.
Sorry guys, my finger might be in the way in a couple of times, so sorry about that.
Okay,
so I'm not like my brother who freaking holds the 2 cameras and always fingers in the way.
It's coming together. I think I should start playing with it to see if it's ready or not. But look at this.
Fail.
It's not a fail yet. Okay, so oh gosh. Come on, get in. Wow. That's just crazy. Okay, so
You're 5 minutes in.
okay, so I really don't care about this. I'm just gonna put more of this in. And holy crap.
What?
It's not even dissolved on the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna mix. Oh, crud. This looks like crud.
That looks like.
I feel like playing with it, but I feel like not playing with it at the same time because it's so stupid.
We can't call this as a fail.
No, because it's not done yet. Okay, you know what? Greg, stand here.
Well,
I'm gonna go get something for a scent. It's gonna smell like pomegranate and mango, by the way, so. Hand soap.
yes, it is. Pomegranate and mango. No. Oh, shoot us too, though. Down, what the? There we go.
Bro, what the heck is happening? This is so stupid.
She's wrong. Right?
Huh?
The freaking. She's freaking wrong. Dude, look at freaking in. Fail.
This may be a fail.
You know that? It might be a dang fail, so.
I got this. Don't say this is bad because. Don't say it's my fault because I.
You know what, guys?
Did the exact steps.
Blame this big YouTuber, okay? She's the one who's trying to think it would be a perfectly good slime. But he tried it, right? And it was a fail. So we're gonna count this as a fail. So, guys, thank you guys for watching Malcolm's channel. So
yeah, look at how bad this is.
Yeah, look at that. That's a freaking hand soap. So
at least it smells good.
So guys, thanks guys for watching. I know this is a bummer that you can never see a perfect good slime recipe go white. So guys, make sure you follow us. Make sure you subscribe to us. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'll put it down below if I can. I have to ask them. So,
yeah, you could.
Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a phenomenal night and stay safe on Halloween. Bye.
This is Halloween.